everyone, and welcome to SimQuest 2-Minute Tuesdays channel. One of the many services that SimQuest offers is CAD design and reverse engineering. At times, a customer will come to us with an idea in hopes of creating a prototype to 3D print it. Here at SimQuest, we have all the tools needed to create and produce these ideas and bring them to life. To illustrate this, I have a 3D Connection wireless space mouse. It makes it very convenient to navigate your work model in 3D space as you work on your file. However, if you want to carry it around, there's no place to put the USB receiver. The idea? Create a portable case to carry the space mouse and USB. I remembered I still had the molded pulp packaging, which contains a cavity of the space mouse with a perfect fit. So my first task was to capture this geometry. I used Geomagic's Capture Scanner for this task, which scans at a resolution of 7/1000ths of an inch. Next, I used DesignX to reverse engineer the CAD geometry into an editable CAD model. Once I recreated what I needed, I exported out the geometry and the feature manager tree to SOLIDWORKS. After completing my bottom case, I was able to build a top cover in context of the assembly, add my lip and groove, and make sure that the clips clear the holes. Before 3D printing, I wanted to validate the design, so I used SOLIDWORKS simulation for this. I was quickly able to determine how much the clips displace when they are depressed, make sure that they don't go beyond the yield strength of PA12, and determine my factor of safety. After going through a few iterations, I printed my model in the HP Jet Fusion 3D printer. The Jet Fusion 3D printer was able to produce a fully functional, dimensionally accurate, durable prototype. As you can see, here at SimQuest, we have the tools, the knowledge, and the expertise to bring ideas to life. Do you have an idea? Or need something reverse engineered to design in CAD? Let SimQuest help you bring your ideas from concept to reality. Well, that's it for this session of SimQuest 2-Minute Tuesdays channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.